My inspiration of founding the Institute was to create opportunities for more people. And it's a pretty personal thing to me because the education system failed me. When I went through high school, I was a high school dropout. I failed every class. I was taught that I was stupid. I was going to go into a manual labor job, which that was frowned upon by everybody. And I started working with my hands and working with wood and discovered that I had a talent for it. I got really good at it. And I learned that I was actually very smart. And, now at this point in my life, I get flown out to universities to teach classes and to teach whole departments about the intricacies of Windsor chairs and woodworking and the mathematics behind it. And I want everybody to have that same opportunity.
In my opinion, the Sam Beauford Woodworking Institute contributes in a lot of ways. Most importantly, when I started in this business, there was nothing available. There was no training available. I was passionate about it, so I just kind of self-taught. And a lot of people right now are self-taught. I was fortunate enough to run into an experienced veteran, and he saw my passion and he took me under his wings. And I learned a lot about woodworking, true woodworking, like using a plane, using chisels, not just all machinery. And when I walked into Sam Beauford Institute, this is what I'm seeing. Like, wow, someone's really going to devote their life to putting together an institution that people can learn the craft of woodworking, which is a dying craft. We've done some of the biggest hotels in the city of Detroit, Shinola Hotel, Foundations Hotel. We've done all the fancy restaurants. We've done all the law firms. We've worked for the Detroit Pistons for a long time. At Auburn Hills, we did all their spaces, all their locker rooms, their training facilities. We did their practice facility. When they moved to Detroit, we did it again. We did the owner's suites. We've done the owner's home. The world needs craftsmen. And you can learn to be a craftsman here. And when you learn to be a craftsman, you can be a lot more than a craftsman. It teaches you the skills. It teaches you how to use your brain, how to engineer things, how to put it together. You can use that in a lot of different parts of your life. If there's no more craftsmen, what are we going to do? So the world needs craftsmen, and this place will inspire people to do that.
Coming into any new atmosphere, coming into any new skill is intimidating. And I think it's critical that you create a welcoming and an open environment for people to feel comfortable in, especially when you're learning a new skill set. The Sam Beauford Institute being known for offering that environment that there's no fear. There's no fear to walk through the doors and learn a new skill. And so being able to break down those barriers of fear and being able to just have an open and welcoming environment to say, we're all just learning this. We're all just learning this for the first time. So just come here, feel welcome, and try it and see if it's something that you love. We have this great opportunity to bring artistry back into the trades and for people to be thinking about those opportunities for themselves to learn skill sets that are far and above what they used to be. And if you can take something like woodworking in an environment where you recognize the opportunity to take that artistry and make a career out of it, what a great opportunity. There's so many different opportunities within woodworking to build furniture, to build pieces of artwork, to build houses, but to build beautiful details. And that's what I think we have the opportunity to bring back to students at the Sam Beauford Woodworking Institute, right? How to design and build those details, how to put artistry into woodworking, and how somebody can really put their spirit into something that they're building and walk away from it at the end and say, I did that. I made that.
My vision for the institution is to grow it, to give more people opportunities, and also to elevate the level of respect and dignity that the general public has for carpenters, tradesmen, and woodworkers. I want to raise the level of respect and dignity that this trade deserves.